We're at Bike Night. Packed tonight.
And our next micro wrestling superstar from Boston, Mass. Give it up for the one and only Flying Ryan.
Oh, you took pictures of him?
I'm doing a full flex for my YouTube channel.
No, I thought you get pictures done.
Nah, we was still on my bike.
Is it the truth? Yeah. Yeah, Boca. No, we do it when we get home. I ain't gonna keep spending money. I thought dude was duct tape. I'm like, I kept calling duct tape. Like duct tape, what's up? Duct tape.
Did you see that tape out? Yeah, he out here.
That's what I thought, but I was talking to the dude, he was over there leaning on the bike. I said, didn't you ride a bus? He was riding a black.
He's got a
black cross rocket. The dude was riding a black cross rocket. That I was thought was duct tape. He looked like he ain't got no teeth in his mouth.
Yeah, that's him.
That's duct tape, right?
Yeah.
I said, he's like, man, I ain't duct tape. I'm like, I could have sworn your name was duct tape.
Oh no, you might not. That might not have been him.
It looked like he ain't got no teeth in his mouth. He was leaning on the bike, skinny cat. I could have sworn your name was duct tape.
This is bike right here.
He parked right next to you.
No, this is duct tape bike right here.
Oh no, he wasn't on that. He was on a nice black one.
I see. I know, right?
That's the
suicide shit on the side.
Gear shift. Is that a big one?
Yeah. Fucking mean.
What the hell? Is that really a gear shifter?
Yep.
Look where his bag at. Way down there.
I mean, what year is See the lights on the bike, Lupa? Hey, Bob, I told you I made a mistake.
Oh, that's what I thought you ran into.
That motherfucker. I bet you that's something mean as hell. I know he told me.
Hell yeah. Straight shot, exhaust.
So you put that together there.
Yeah.
Man, I like it. That's why I like coming out here, man. I love the way cats putting their own bikes together, you know, coming up with their own little design. Say, what's up, Dave?
They talking about me, but I'm gonna put my little scooter up anyway.
Man, don't just scooter roll.
Right.
Okay then.
How many people do you see?
That bitch do 80 on the freeway. Hey, you see this dude? It'll be a little over 80 on the
That's all you need. They got something to do 120, man.
Yeah. With no issue, no problem.
Come on, run! Get him, big guy.
Yeah! Go, Green, go! Come on, Steve-O! Come on, Steve-O!
They lock up.
probably some speakers. Bet you it is. He might have a stereo on there. I think he got music on that bike. He do, because he got speakers up top. By the this shit might be loud. You don't know. They can't delete my page. Fuck that. Man, it was garbage last night. Garbage.
It's like, he said that's how bad it was. So Duck, I need this for my YouTube video. So what do you think of the H2? Up close and personal.
Shitty.
Shitty? Think you can take an H2?
I'd rather have a Honda.
Say that again?
I'd rather have a Honda. Put a turbo on a Honda and make my steer. But then again, with the right rider on there, I can make it steering straight away. What you want is
the scoop hotel.
Dirty wrestler. Dirty, dirty. For sure. This week, yeah.
I got work.
Come on, man. You said if I gave you a week in advance, you could call off.
Let me talk to Joyce. And I can go. I'll roll.
This is my dude Ryan's bike. He come outside, I'm gonna get an interview from him, I mean, so he can tell me all the stuff about this victory. Well, you know he got rid of his ZX14. He got rid of his ZX14 for this. He bought that first, and he sold that to his brother and bought that.
You got something like that?
No, that's his own. He sold his ZX14, bought that, sold it to his brother, then bought that.
Man, you coming. Dude,
Hold on, man. Cool Ed with all this carbon fiber.
Jixer, baby.
I'll catch up with you.
Here's that one. Oh, 8.
Oh, 8.
My bike's actually clean.
Oh, you're all right, bro. Can we get a exhaust clip from you since you got the aftermarket? Can we get a sound clip?
Say they're witch doctors. We got to promote John Petridge, the witch doctors from Warren.
Is this the factory headlight?
Yeah. With HIDs.
HIDs, okay. Now, how many cc's is this?
I don't measure CCs in big bikes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know nothing about this bike. 106 cubic inches.
Roughly like 17.